The biggest misconception about millionaires is their money. The real secret, the one that actually matters, isn't in their bank account, it's in their brain. And you don't need a single dime to start thinking the way they do. In fact, this is the one thing you can change right now that makes all the difference down the road. After studying the patterns of self-made millionaires, I realized it all comes down to 3 fundamental shifts in thinking. See, most of us are programmed to be passengers in our financial lives. We're taught to trade our time for a fixed paycheck, spend what we get, and just hope there's some left over. We're constantly reacting to our circumstances. This mindset keeps you focused on lack in what you don't have. It's a survival game, and you can't build wealth when you're only playing defense. But millionaires aren't passengers, they're drivers, and they do it by making these 3 mental shifts. First, they stop focusing on saving money and start obsessing over valuing their time. The average person asks, "How can I drive across town to save $20 on groceries?" The millionaire mindset asks, "How can I use that hour to learn a skill that will make me an extra $100? They know that time is the only asset you can never get back. They invest it. Second, they shift from being a consumer to being a producer or an owner. The consumer mindset spends hours scrolling social media. The producer mindset asks, "How can I learn to create content for social media?" The consumer binge watches a series. The owner mindset asks, "What system can I build in that same amount of time?" Consumers have expenses. Producers and owners build assets. And third, and this is the most important one, they shift from avoiding problems to actively solving problems. Most people see a frustration and complain about it. The millionaire mindset sees that same frustration and asks, "Could I build a solution for this?" They know that every dollar in existence is just a thank you note for solving someone's problem. They run towards the very problems everyone else runs away from. So let's recap. Value your time, not just your money. Become a producer, not just a consumer. And hunt for problems to solve. You don't need capital to make these shifts. You just need a decision. Your bank account doesn't change first. Your mindset changes first. So my question for you is, which of these 3 shifts are you going to focus on starting today? Let me know in the comments. If this idea clicked for you, a like and subscribe helps the channel grow. Now go out there and start forging your path.